Good evening, everybody. Welcome to day 2 of this wonderful face yoga workshop that we are conducting. We're already in our second batch of this wonderful face yoga workshop taken by a friend for many, many years, uh, probably one of India's most known face yoga experts, if I may call it, Mansi Gulati, who's done sessions for various companies, various government organizations, and many, many people, and has been a practitioner herself for more than 15, 16 years. So, what does that mean? That means regular practice is extremely important to get the benefits of face yoga or any form of exercise or workout that you do that has an alternative kind of healing mechanism to it. So, may I request the host to please disable the chat? Otherwise, there'll be a lot of questions coming in. Don't worry, we are here to answer a lot of your questions because you will get to know as the workshops progresses as to what's going to happen. The Q&A will be open. People can put the entire questions in the Q&A box and you'll get to know. We'll take each question after the session. So I'll give you what today's session is going to be about. It's Mansi is going to be taking the session on how can you get rid of wrinkles on your face. Yesterday's session was about anti-aging. She taught many exercises about it. A lot of people who couldn't attend yesterday's session, do not worry, you will get the recordings. A lot of people are asking the same questions. Will I get the recording? Yes, you will get the recording only after the 5-day workshop is over. So after the 5 days is done, you will get the recordings as one file as day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. And you can practice it at home. You can practice it with your family and friends and so on. Because at Sarva, what we want to do is spread this message of yoga and mindfulness. So without any further ado, today's session is going to be about yoga for managing wrinkles on your face. The session format is going to be as follows. Mansi is going to be taking the session along with you. All of y'all, please do it first. A lot of y'all have many questions. We'll take that towards the end of the class. All of y'all, I request you to please do it first. Once you finish the class, Mansi is again going to be recapping of what exercises we did. And then we're going to be taking a few questions, and then we'll be ending it with a quick 2-minute meditative practice. So I request Mansi, over to you. Host, you can shift the spotlight to Mansi, and then Mansi, you can begin the session.
Namaste, good evening everyone. Hope you enjoyed yesterday's session. Today we'll do session for the wrinkles. See, you can see my face. My face is beautiful, and I believe face yoga will make you more beautiful. So do face yoga and keep yourself healthy, beautiful always. So let's start today's session for wrinkles. Before that, I just want, please join your hands, close your eyes. We'll do prayer. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now we'll chant Om. Inhale first. Inhale. Inhale. Relax. Release your all stress and pain. Just relax yourself. Eyes remain closed. Rub your palm. Generate heat. This we call palming pose also. This is very beautiful. Keep it on your face. Just relax your facial muscle. Again, rub your palm. Relax your facial muscle, relax your mind, relax your body, release your all pain and stress. So let's start facial yoga today for the wrinkles. Wrinkles क्यों होते हैं? We'll tell you one thing. Our muscles become weaker. So we need to strengthen the muscle. That is very important. And we'll do some exercises for strengthening today. And we'll make sure that after this class, you will see the changes. So let's start. First, we'll do exercise for the forehead. यहाँ पे wrinkles appear होते हैं. How we need to reduce it. This is very important. So usually we do like this. So we need to control. So let's do one very important exercise. This is very important exercise for these lines. Very easy. Keep your finger like this. First, hold here for 10 seconds. Relax yourself, relax your mind. Just hold. This is very important pressure. Facial yoga is a combination of exercises, acupressure, and massage. So we'll do all today. Please hold here for 10 seconds first. Now spread your finger, corner of your brow. See the corner of your brow. Spread your finger like this. Hold here. Make sure there should be no lines. Hold there for 10 seconds. This is very important exercise for this line. Now squint your eyes for 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Only make sure line should not appear. Spread it properly. This is very good exercise for these lines. Relax. So very simple and very beautiful exercise. There is a principle I already told in my last class. Every exercise we have to perform 3 times. So we'll do it again. First, make sure this is very important pressure. Hold here for 10 seconds. This is very important pressure for the migraine also. Please hold here. And why middle finger, index finger? Because it is connected with your brain and nervous system. Now spread it. Corner of your brow. Make sure of lines. Make sure. Just hold here for 10 seconds. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now squint your eyes. Little difficult, but easy also. You will learn. It's very simple and very easy and very beautiful exercise for these lines. So we'll do it again. Please hold here for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now spread your finger. Now squint your eyes for 10 counts. Relax. Relax yourself. So this is very important exercise for this line. Do this exercise every day. You will find the result. Now we'll tell you another exercise. It's very good. All the expressions. We hold a lot of tensions. There's a lot of stress. How to remove, how to get rid of all these lines. We'll do very simple exercise. Just hold here. This is very important pressure. Just put pressure to upward direction. Hold here. Hold here. Now, eyes wider. Hold it for 5 seconds. Relax. This is beautiful exercise for your eyes also. You will get a youthful eyes by doing this exercise. So we'll do it again. Don't take any stress. Huh? This is very easy and very simple exercises. So let's do it again. First hold here and you're putting pressure to upward direction. Now eyes more wider. Hold. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Very nice. Make sure, because see, we can see the lines. I really want कि यहाँ पे आपको कोई lines नहीं रहे. उसके लिए this is the beautiful exercise. If you are getting difficulty doing like this, you can do like this. I'm doing like this now. Now eyes more wider. Open your eyes for 5 seconds. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Beautiful exercise for your forehead lines. And definitely you will get the result. So do this exercise. This is very good exercise for your forehead lines. And now we'll do other exercise for your eyes wrinkles. This is also very good exercise. It promotes collagen also. And very good exercise for the blood circulation. So let's do it. This is binocular pose. Very simple and very easy. Keep your eyes like this. You're clicking a picture. Stretch it properly. It's very important. Parallelly you're stretching. Covering your brow. This I called also wake up exercise. Wake up and do yoga with me. Now, simply blink for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whenever I will do blink exercise, always try to blink fully. That is important. So let's do it again. Cover your eyebrow area, stretch it properly. You're stretching from the both end. Okay, let's start blinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax yourself. We'll do it again. Last time. Again, same. First, stretch it properly. Make sure you're stretching it properly. Okay. Now start blinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Close your eyes for a while. Just relax yourself. Release. Release your all stress and pain while doing my facial yoga exercises. So let me tell you one very important massage also. This is very good massage for your wrinkles. It releases your all stress. Very simple and very easy. Keep your fingers. Do it like this. Just gentle massage. Do it for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Say no to lines. Be beautiful with face yoga. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold here for 10 seconds. Okay. Let's do it again. This is very important massage for your blood circulation. It will improve it. First, hold here for 10 seconds. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax yourself. Relax your face. Relax your muscles. It's very important. This will help you to strengthen your muscle also. So we'll tell you other facial massage for your eye. Very important. We call sleeping muscle also. We'll do it. Very simple. Just stretch it. You'll turn your eyeball up. Relax. This is very important. See, I'm doing like this. This is very important. Whenever we wake up, we feel our eyes is puffy. So if you need to control it, do this exercise. This is the best exercise to control puffiness also. Just hold here. Just hold here. Now eyes more wider or look up. Sorry, now look up. You can put light pressure here. Relax yourself. Let's do it again. This is very important for your sleeping muscle. We'll do it. Hold here. First hold here for 10 seconds. Look straight. Stretch it downward. Make sure about it. Now look up. Parallelly. You're looking up. Stretching your eye muscle. This is very good for the puffiness. Relax yourself. Relax. Just light tap it. Now, because usually in yoga we do asanas, we do kriya also. So today we'll tell you one kriya also. This is my favorite kriya. This I call Mahakriya. Mahakriya is the best kriya. We can easily reduce 10 kg because I have reduced much. My weight is 50 kg from last more than 10 years. So I believe you can also reduce your weight by doing this simple Kriya. So we'll do it. This we call Mahakriya. Please keep your hand like this. Keep your hand like this. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, expand your chest. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Very slowly go down. Now exhale. Relax. Come up. This I called Mahakriya. This we call Mahakriya. Mahakriya is the best Kriya. It's the anti-aging Kriya. Will help you to reduce your accumulated fat also. So we'll do it again. This is very important Kriya. Our body, we can cleansing is very important. So all the bad toxins will clear by this simple Kriya. This we call Mahakriya. We'll do it again. Keep your hand like this. Always shoulder straight. Spin. Inhale. Exhale. Simple principle. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Very slowly. Come forward. Now exhale forcefully. Come up. This is very important Kriya for the diabetes, for the obesity. Diabetes and obesity is very, very connected. So do this Kriya. This is the best Kriya. We can get rid of it. And we can easily control our weight by doing this simple Kriya. So please do this Kriya. This is the best Kriya. We can also take bay leaf at night. If we soak it and take every morning, this will help you for detoxification. That is very important. So now we'll do other exercises for your lines, for this wrinkles. I'm going to use prop today. I'm taking the help of spoon. Usually हम बच्चों को देखते हैं स्कूल में ये exercise करते हुए with the help of lemon. But I'm going to tell you this is the beautiful exercise and my favorite pose for this lines. We'll do it. You can we'll do it. Very simply, just keep it like this. Smile. We need to put the pressure up and down. Very simple and very easy. My favorite pose for this lines. We'll do it for 10 counts now. Get rid of wrinkles by doing this simple exercise. So we'll do it again. Every exercise we have to perform for 3 times. So second time, 10 counts, 50 counts, 15 counts. Gradually you can increase it and any time you can do face yoga. Please do with me now. Smile. It is very important and very beautiful. Muscle will get contracted, blood circulation will improve. So you will get instant result by this exercise. If you ever feel tired, your face look tired when you're tired. So do this exercise. You will get instant result by doing the simple exercise with the help of spoon. So let's do it again. 3 times for 10 count. Third time. balancing is very important. So please do it like this. This is very important. 3 times. This will help you for your laughing lines. Now we'll tell you another exercise. Is also very good exercise for this area, because line, we can see here lines. So we'll do this exercise. Let's do it. It's very simple. It's very easy exercise. Make a pout and hold. Relax. We'll tell you one thing. Usually the ladies have this problem of thyroid problem. Let's do one exercise to control thyroid also by doing this beautiful exercise, and also double chin. Double chin, we have the problem of double chin. Let's get rid of it. It's very simple exercise. Make a spout. Look up. Hold there for 10 seconds. Relax. Okay. See here, thyroid gland is here, center of your neck. Place your finger here. Please don't press it. Just place your finger. Now make a pout. Hold it for 10 seconds first. Look up. Now press your gland. Release your finger first. Release your pose. This is the beautiful exercise for the thyroid also, and also for your double chin, and also for this chin area. Let's do it again. Very simple and very easy. First make a pout. Hold it for 10 seconds. Look straight. Press your gland. Release. Relax. Every pose we need to release very slowly. Face is very beautiful. Make sure you're doing in a proper way. That is important. So let's do other exercise. This is also very easy and very good exercise. I called it puff, puff up. Puff your cheeks. Very easy and very, very simple. We'll do it for 10 count. This is very important exercise for the blood circulation. It's very easy. Blow. Right side first. Left. Relax. Beautiful exercise for your face. You won't get, prevention is better than cure. You won't get any wrinkle. A beautiful face with face yoga. Let's do it again. This is very important exercise for your wrinkles. Very easy. We need to shift air right to left. It's simple and very easy. First, just blow all the air inside. Now shift it to right side. Relax. Little discomfort, but this is very beautiful, amazing exercise. So last time, principle we need to follow. We'll do it for third time, last time. First blow it. Relax. Very simple, very nice exercises. Let's do one more exercise. This is also very good for your lines. You can see some lines here. No, it's not line. No? Let's do it. We'll tell you one beautiful exercise for this lines also. Very simple and very easy. Just kiss the sky. So let's do it. Look up. Hold. Hold it for 10 seconds like this. Kiss. Relax. Very important. Release your all stress and very beautiful exercise for your neck. Let's do it again. Very simple and very easy. First, look up. Hold it for 10 seconds. This is important. In yoga, we need to hold balance. So let's do it. Look up. Hold. Relax. Let's do it again. Third time. Very important. Please do hold for 10 seconds. You will get the result. Please do it properly. Look up. Relax. Hold and release. And release your all the wrinkles. Always try to be, we need to be youthful. We need to be beautiful. Just do this simple exercise of facial yoga. And believe me, we don't need to go for any surgeries, any cosmetic. This is all natural. So please do these exercises. Today we did for wrinkles, and these are the best exercises for the wrinkle. So make a routine, that is important. So now, lastly, rub your palm, generate some heat. Just relax yourself. Again, rub your palm, generate more heat. Last. Relax yourself. See, today we did yoga for the wrinkles. All are very beautiful asanas, but हमने वार्म अप नहीं किया. So अभी वार्म अप करेंगे because अभी आपके मसल्स पूरी तरह रिलैक्स हो चुके हैं. Now we'll do two warm up, that is for your blood circulation. So we'll do it very simple. Yesterday also we did squeeze pose. This is the beautiful pose. It will help you to control your anger also. Anger is not good. Always try to be happy. So let's do this exercise. This warm up is very good for the blood circulation. So please squeeze your face for 10 seconds. Release. Let's do it again. We need to follow the principle. Squeeze your face, hold your all stress and release. So let's do it. Squeeze. Directional movements is very important for the blood circulation. It increase also, improve also. Last time we'll do it. Squeeze it and release. Hold your all stress and release. Let's do. Hold. Release. So this is very important stretch for your face. Relax your muscles, relax your face always. Always try to be happy. Do yoga with us, with Sarva. So now we'll do other exercise, other warm up, other very important exercise for the blood circulation. We'll do it. This is the last pose, last warm up. So we'll do it very easy, very simple. Sit straight. Now pull your tongue out. Relax. This is very important exercise. Stretch your neck also, and very good for your jaw muscles, very good for your face. 57 muscles will get contracted. So we'll do it again. This is very important exercise. Pull your tongue out. This is the beautiful warm up we do. So just pull your tongue out and hold there for 10 seconds. How much you can. So we speak very loud sometime. Huh? So how much you can, we can do it. So let's do it for third count. It's very easy, but we'll do in this manner. Look up. Now pull your tongue out. This I call lioness pose also. So do this exercise. This is the beautiful exercises. This is very good for your skin, for your face, for your body also. Hope you all enjoyed. So please do yoga with us.
Thank you so much, Mansi. Thank you so much for being a part of today's session. If I could request you to just recap a few exercises that we did today for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then I'll take some questions and you can answer them, and then we can end today's session. I have a very important announcement also to make. Let me do that first. Host, may I request you to please put the link on the chat place, on the chat. If you can put the link on the chat, it'll be helpful. You can change the kind of settings and you can put the link on the chat. All of y'all who are listening to me, we have put a paper form on the chat box. If you can click on it and write down, click on whatever questions that you want to ask. because most questions out of about 1,000, 2,000 people, over 1,000, 1,200 people ask similar kind of questions. So if you see the link on the chat box, click on it. It will be there for the next 15, 20 minutes. Click on it, and then you can kind of see the question, and then you can take it forward from there. So the chat box will have the link. Mansi, can you just recap a few things that we did today? And then I'll take a few questions that is there in the Q&A section as well.
So let's start short recap. It's very important. Let's do first exercise for your this line, which I told you it's very simple and very easy. Please keep your finger here. Why middle finger, index finger? Because it is connected with your brain and nervous system. Just hold here for 10 seconds. Now spread it. No lines. Look up or eyeball up. Make sure about it, no line. We'll do it. Hold here. Now squint. Relax. Just relax yourself. This is beautiful exercise for your this lines. Another exercise, binocular pose. You're covering your brow area. Stretch it properly. Blink. When you're blinking, blink fully. That is important. So simple massage, which I told you, just hold here for 10 seconds first. Relax your forehead. 1, 2, gentle press, gentle massage. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. So we'll do some exercises today. It's a short recap. So we'll tell you my beautiful exercise for this lines. I have no lines. We'll do it. This is my favorite pose. We are taking the help of spoon. Keep it here. Smile.
They should all be doing exercises with the spoon. No ice creams with the spoon.
Okay, we'll do other exercise. If you're doing this area, now this is also very important. So very simple exercise for this. Let's do spout pose. It will cover your mouth. Spout, make a spout and hold. Look up. Relax. Now for the thyroid. This is very important exercises. So make sure about it. Thyroid gland is based here, center of your neck. Please keep your index finger here. Don't press it. Just keep your finger here. Now make a spout first. Hold it for 10 seconds. Look up. Press your gland. Release. Relax. First release your finger, then just release your pose. This is the beautiful exercise for the thyroid. Now other exercise for the wrinkle. Puff off. Very simple. Just blow. Shift it to right side. Simple massage. Just beauty at your fingertips. Cover these lines. Look up first. Hold your mouth. Hold it for 10 seconds. Kiss. Love yourself. Do face yoga. So this is our short recap for all exercises, but we'll tell you Kriya also, Mahakriya. Mahakriya is the best Kriya. We do Alom Vilom Kapal Bhati. Do this Kriya also. This will help you to reduce your accumulated fat and fat from the body. Okay. Keep your hand like this. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, expand. Sorry. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. See, we can exhale from mouth, exhale from nose also. However you're comfortable, but do it. Now, come forward. Exhale. Relax, come up. So this is Mahakriya. Mahakriya is very good Kriya for detoxification. Do this Kriya. If we do this Kriya before food, having food 10 minutes before, so this is the best exercise for the obesity. This Kriya will help you it will help you to reduce and prevention. This is the very good exercise for your weight reduction. So hopefully you all enjoyed our recap, our wrinkles segment today.
Thank you so much, Mansi. We have a few questions. I'm going to take them. First is, how many times should we do Mahakriya in a day?
Mahakriya, actually, I just now I said like before food, 10 minutes before. If we do this exercise, this is the best exercise for weight reduction. And also we can do it for 3 times. Every exercise, every breathing Kriya, do it for 3 times for the better result.
Is there any particular time for doing all these exercises?
Face yoga, we can do anytime. We are doing now also. So anytime you can do face yoga.
Fantastic. If we do not perform these exercises like you've said, with the breathing, with the pressure, etc., are there any adverse effects to these?
Nothing like that. Initially it takes time. But please try to follow. That is important. But nothing gonna happen.
No adverse effects. Fantastic. What pressure should be applied while doing these exercises?
Try to put gentle pressure, light pressure. It's a beautiful face. So please, glowing is very important. So always gentle pressure.
Okay, so gentle pressure. Fantastic. How do you take bay leaf and when to take it?
Please soak it at night and drink that water every morning. Do it for 15 days. You will get the best result because bay leaf is very rich in antioxidant. Help you a lot.
Fantastic. I'm seeing a lot of people asking, do you have full body workouts? Do you do weight loss programs, etc.? I'll come back to that question. I'll announce something very nice tomorrow, but I'll give you a small brief about it today. A lot of people are asking questions on double chin. How can you help them how do you help them with double chin, like managing double chin?
This is the best exercise which I showed today. Very simple. We'll tell you again for the double chin. Simply make a pout, more inside. Now look up. You will get proper stretch, and this is the best exercise for the double chin.
Everybody's asking, we see a lot of questions about why did you do the squint eyes?
This is very good. We need youthful eyes. So this is very important exercise. See, we exercise our body. We need to exercise our facial muscle also to look young and beautiful. This is all natural and no side effect, nothing. So please do it. You will get the result.
Will these exercises help in dark circles?
Why it happen when we have allergy with something, we have dark circle problem. So these exercises will help you. My V pose, which I told you yesterday, is very good for the dark circle also. So do it. You won't, you will understand. We don't need to apply any concealer, any cosmetic. This is all natural and very, very, you will get the better result, best result with face yoga.
Great. So a lot of people, Mansi, in tomorrow's sessions, like we used the spoon in this session, tomorrow's session, is there any props required? One of the questions are, any props to bring while coming for tomorrow's session? Like today you had a spoon.
Bring water, please. Bring water. Will tell you one very good exercises with water. So please bring.
Please, so everybody carry water along with you. So great. A lot of people will start clicking on the link and asking questions, which we will answer tomorrow, which we will know. Now, admin, can you please change the spotlight to me? And I'm going to be announcing something very cool. Great. Namaste. Again, if some of you all missed yesterday's session, just quick update about myself. My name is Sarvesh Shashi. You can find me on Instagram. You know what I do. I am the founder of Sarva. I started Sarva when I was 21 years old. I'm 28 now. We formalized the company when I was 23. And we've taken classes for more than 5 lakh people across the last more than 6 years. I've been fortunate to have very, very amazing people across the world believing in us. So I'm going to be announcing 2 very exciting workshops for all of y'all during tomorrow's class. One workshop is going to be about PCOS. One amongst every 5 women in India suffer from PCOS. Not just PCOS, because of that, they suffer from other ailments like acne, weight gain, and many, many other kind of concerns because of it. We have an amazing instructor who takes classes for a lot of celebrities, people around, whether it's youngsters, 18-year-olds, 40-year-olds, many such women. He's taken sessions and has managed PCOS very well. And another workshop that we're going to be taking, it's going to be starting very soon, is a transformational weight loss program. The PCOS workshop is a 5-day program. The weight loss workshop is about a 21-day program. Only people who are extremely serious about it, we want to take in, because we only have 1,000 seats in the entire program. Already, as you're aware, this program has about 2,400 people already registered. So only 50% of these people can join PCOS and the weight loss workshop. And we have some exciting announcements tomorrow. And we have some exciting videos that you will see from a lot of members and clients who actually taken these classes from our beautiful instructors. So today's class, we're going to be ending it with another meditation. This time, what you need to do is right hand on your heart, left hand on top of your right hand. Okay. Drop your head down. Yesterday, we saw slightly up. This time, drop your head down. Close your eyes. Drop your head down. Close your eyes. Just you can open your eyes for a minute. What you need to do is you need to start moving in this direction, right? As the music starts, you'll need to start moving slowly from right to left or left to right. And I want you to start feeling lighter and lighter as you keep swaying from right to left. Close your eyes, attention to your heart, attention to your heartbeat. And then when you finish this, if you've given 100%, you will feel an immediate sense of bliss, happiness, and a sense of smile within you. And as this t-shirt says, body beautiful me, self-care and self-love is absolutely important. So right hand on your chest, left hand on top, drop your head down, close your eyes, drop your head down and close your eyes. Fantastic, close your eyes. And now gently start moving along with the music. Move gently from left to right. Relax your entire body from head to toe. Your face is beautifully relaxed. You've worked out on your facial muscles. Your face is relaxed. Drop your head down. Don't lift your heads up. Continue this. Don't open your eyes. Great. Gently rub your palms. Gently rub your palms. Bring it close to your eyes. And look at your palms and open your eyes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mansi. Thank you so much for everybody taking your precious time out in ensuring you take today's session. Please continue your practice. It's really tough times for everybody, but everything starts from yourself. Self-care and self-love is absolutely important. Tomorrow, looking forward to seeing you all soon. I'll be giving a lot more information about the PCOS workshop and the transformational weight loss workshop that all of y'all will be having a special preview into tomorrow. Thank you so much. Mansi, thank you as well. Looking forward to seeing all of y'all tomorrow. Take care. Lots of love, lots of light, lots of happiness. Have a great evening. Don't miss the IPL match. It's Chennai Super Kings today. Take care.